jumper. Awesome evening. It's really beautiful. It's 30th of March and it's absolutely stunning. 22 degrees. I still have short sleeves on. Amazing. First real spring evening. Absolutely wonderful. And Canyon Lux thinks it's great as well. Any spring in Holland. Woo! Awesome, baby. What's up, crowd? It's a beautiful day. 22 degrees Celsius, short sleeves, leggings, no winter stuff, nothing. I'm going home and I have an hour longer as daylight savings time went in. So we're gonna have some fun on the trails, on the mountain bike. Let's see how it goes. And welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push the subscribe button and push the bell icon so you get notified each time there's a new video. It really helps me out. I really appreciate it. And to all the new subscribers, thanks a lot, appreciate it. Cheers. I'm busy upgrading from the 12 speed 175 to the 12 speed X01. Basically the gear ratio is the same, but this is 100 grams lighter. Wait, weenie, this is 100 grams lighter. So this is, I'm just going to get my chain used to this cassette, and I will still use this cassette in the winter, but in the summer and for racing, this is the cassette I'll be using. It's not the 100 grams, I think it also, the shifting is maybe a bit better. So I've cleaned everything, actually cleaned the tires and the rims. That's something I never do, but it's looking pretty good. So I'm replacing the 1275 with the X01. I think it's a 1290. Don't want to do it too tight because I've got to remove it again, of course. But I don't know. I think that's okay. So there we go. New cassette, X01. I think it's a 1290, and that's a 1275, which I will still use in the winter. But you can see this one has pins, and it's made out of different sections, and this is one solid thing with an extra ring in the back. It's just about 90 grams lighter, I think. Looks pretty cool. So there we go. Looks pretty damn cool. X01 cassette. I think it's a 1290 or 1295, but I used to have the 1275. Well, there we go. I haven't done this trail since last summer, maybe August, September, August I think. So I'm really looking forward to it. It was the new trail last year, so I'm hoping it's a bit easier. Seems to be a bit easier to ride, as there's been more mountain bikes over it in the winter. That's good. It's much more rideable than last year. Last year was so sandy. It's still pretty sandy. If you move under your pedals, but much better than last year. Under your wheels, sorry. What a weather, absolutely brilliant. 30th of March 2021.
Actually, just thought about it. I have run the Strava this year. I'm sorry. In January or February. Had an off day and I came all the way here. So I have been here. It's funny, if you have obstacles, you close your eyes. Not very clever to do on a mountain bike. That's a bit sandy, but not too bad. Woo! Awesome!